This is Mellissa Thomas of Florida National News here at the Gaylord Palms Resort in Kissimmee for the 13th Annual Community Health Symposium presented by the Florida Blue Foundation. So it kicked off this morning at about 9:45 and will be running all the way until about 4:15 this evening. We'll hear some remarks from Mr. Tony Jenkins, the Central Florida Region Director for Florida Blue. So stay tuned for his comments and a little bit more about the different sessions that will be happening throughout the day and the Sapphire Awards this evening.
Well, when you think about the challenges and opportunities that we have in the state related to health, related to health care, this is a great opportunity and a chance for us to get the experts from around the country to really get in front of a lot of companies and nonprofits that are serving communities and meeting some of the needs, and we bring everybody together so we can talk about these together, we can dialogue about them, so we can continue on that track of solving some of our most pressing problems.
And given that this is the 13th year, what's the biggest change you've seen in the Central Florida region given these?
You know, it's interesting. Whenever we do the Sapphire Awards, it's really an opportunity for us to recognize some of the best in class individuals, programs, and organizations that are really doing a great job, an excellent job at meeting the needs. So think about the people that come back every year and they hear these ideas, they hear what individuals are doing, they take those back in their communities and they then get more creative and innovative. So every year we've seen the attendance go from 200 to 300 till we're sold out this year, where we've got over 500, around 500 people attending.
Congrats. What do you look most forward to for the years coming forward?
Well, I tell you, I always, this conference here and this whole forum is a launching pad for me because I leave here energized. I hear all of the passion and the energy that everyone brings here because they can take nuggets back into their communities, and I leave here with a renewed outlook on how better to serve in our communities and how better our company can position itself also to serve as we now approach the second half of the year.
We just wrapped up a plenary session just now on the opioid epidemic and how it's affecting several different communities. So we heard from several experts in the field, including folks from Florida A&M University, folks from Florida Blue, as well as from Guidewell. These folks were answering questions from the audience about the opioid epidemic, different legislative measures that have been done towards that end, and in terms of ways to take action to correct the problem. But there are plenty other sessions that will be going on throughout today and tomorrow. This symposium is a two-day symposium. Tonight, there will be the Sapphire Awards, which is also an annual event. That's taking place at 6:30 p.m. tonight. But to find out more about this, check out Florida Blue's website and stay here at FloridaNationalNews.com for more information. This is Mellissa Thomas.